Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another Watch Me Work. Today I'm gonna be demonstrating how I got my tribal goddess lock. First time doing it. Thank you for tuning in to another Watch Me Work, and let's get straight into it. Okay, y'all, this is my foundation for the tribal portion for the front half of my head. I went ahead and sectioned off and started doing my braids and just doing twists where I'm gonna have the locks in between the braids. For the hair, I used the Afro Twist spring twist hair, and then for the curly pieces that I was adding, I just already had a curly weft bundle, and I just was cutting off of that because I didn't want to spend extra money on buying the weft bundles when I already had one to add the curly pieces. Thankfully, I already have one. So yeah, I was able to save a little coin. Yeah, this only ended up being like, I only paid like 60 bucks for the Afro Twist spring hair, being that I bought 6 packs, but I only used 4. And I didn't show the packs here, I don't know why, so I just had to mention that. So for this portion, I'm just going to be doing the front of my head, and I'm going to go ahead and apply mousse and stuff. And then once I already did the back locks, once I get to the front, I'm kind of going to show you a step-by-step way to hand wrap the locks because I do not like the crochet method. So this is the no crochet method, and I'm just easily showing you how to wrap the locks and add the curly pieces throughout and to the ends. So just keep on watching, and then towards the end, I'll be showing that step-by-step way to add the lock and wrapping it onto the hair and adding the curly extension to the end. I need you. 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 These are the products I use to do the braids. The mousse after I braided my hair, and this is the edge control that I use for the tribal braids. They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Okay, so this day I wanted to go ahead and lay down my foundation before I started hand wrapping the locks. So this day I just did the foundation, went to bed, and the next day I started hand wrapping the locks. And this is the back of the locks. After this day I went to bed because I had class the next morning. And so here's the next day where I started the front and I only got 3 left. I was so happy, ready to be finished, but I was loving how it was coming out so far. But the arms was tied, ready to be done. Okay, this is me going ahead and sectioning off the hair onto the braiding rack. I do recommend having a braiding rack when doing this style. And I also was using the little rack in my bathroom that was already in there, but I was using that for the curly pieces. But I do recommend going ahead and sectioning your pieces and putting them onto a rack because it just makes the process smoother when you could just wrap and grab your pieces to add on. But yes, right here is just the sped up process of me wrapping the locks, and then I'm eventually slow it down and kind of show you how I'm adding the curly pieces and wrapping the locks in a second. Corner, and it's so wide. One time I need to hold the corner, and it's so wide. One time I need to, I need you, 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 I need you. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Crying at night, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm moved. Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pay and keep. Okay, I'm gonna kind of try to talk through this process. What time is it? It's 1:48 in the morning. I started my hair yesterday, and I really could have finished yesterday, but I didn't want to stay up too late, so I went to bed and just cut it off early. But today I'm finishing it. I'm on my last 2. With this piece, and what I like to do is wrap at the root and like get it tight. I say wrap between like 4 to 6 times. And then what I'm gonna do is just twist down just so it can be attached to my hair. Cause I don't like to crochet it. And I wanna just be able to slide them out, but they're still secure if I wanna put them up and stuff like that. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just wrap this piece the same way we just did the first time. Wrap it like 4 times. I'm gonna do 5. And then start wrapping it down. And you literally just keep wrapping. And then I'm gonna show you, you add in a piece of hair. I added in like this just so I can add length to the lock, so I don't have to keep just wrapping and wrapping small pieces, because that'll take more hair. But then I just wrap an end. Let me show it slower. Taking this in like this, doing this, wrapping it in. And I literally like to knot mine to secure, so do a little knot with the hand right there just so the lock can still be in there, and take a little piece of hair just so I can keep wrapping. I'm about to add another piece of hair. And that's really all you do, just keep adding. So now I'm about to speed it back up until I'm finished.
I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in and some bitch or both. They look braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind it.
Okay, now I'm gonna show y'all how to add the little hair in. So, I want to say put it in your mouth. I gotta do what I need to do. So I'm gonna clip this up, clip the hair piece up. I put it in backwards, put the root at the bottom. Then I'm gonna make a knot with my finger. I'm just wrapping down some, and then I'm gonna make a knot with my finger. Okay, then I'm gonna bring it back down from being unclipped. A little small end piece right here. Take the straight end to where when we added it in. Take that with some of those spring twist hair and just twist back up and down. Just keep wrapping up and down.
See them drip, little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, look like the new BM.
My last one, I'm about to do my last one now. I'm gonna do this one off camera. I'm gonna show y'all the finishing result tomorrow. And yeah, because I got class in the morning and I'm ready to go to bed.
Bitch, I been too busy stacking. What the fuck the business is? Why the fuck these bitches capping? Say she gon' do what the who? Pull up, we gon' make it happen. Stay up off the internet. Only check I'm into is the one that come in rubber bands. Nigga hesitate to spend that bread, I call my other man. Bitch, I'm in the loop for real, might fuck off with a couple grand. Then I do my money dash. Been influential to these bitches so long, it get tiring. Ain't about the business or the bread, and I ain't flying in. Some say that I'm in a fashion, really just be buying shit. Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.